Hello everyone, we are in Germany at Hannover Messe conference and we are presenting our quality inspector product. The first scenario can be found that way at the Atos booth. So that was the Atos booth. Now let's go to the second page, to the Nokia booth with our quality inspector, second use case. So how does it work? You just add the cylinder that is being pushed from the starting point. If it's a metallic one, it is pushed the other way, but if it's the correct one, it is being mounted together, and now the quality inspection is being used to visually detect if it's the correct or incorrect one.